Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today's look is going to be a smoky gold cut crease, so stay tuned for this look. And we're going to go ahead and start our tutorial by using the Dr. Barber Hydrating Cooling Mask, and we're going to go ahead and leave our mask on for around 15 minutes. Billion Dollar Beauty sent me this awesome box with all these goodies to try out on my videos, and here's how I do my eyebrows using their products. And let's go ahead and get started with our look. Okay guys, so here I'm going to be showing you guys how I fill in my eyebrows by using the universal eyebrow pencil, and after that we're going to go ahead and brush out our eyebrows, and we're going to go ahead and clean up our eyebrows by using the concealer stick. Now this concealer stick brings two sides. One side is obviously the concealer and the other side is the highlighter. So we're going to go ahead and shape our eyebrows with the concealer and clean up everything, and after that we're going to blend it, and after blending it we're going to add a little bit of highlighter, and we're going to go ahead and move on to our eyes. For this look, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I'm also going to be using a liquid eyeshadow which is called Fortune from the Ofra Cosmetics line. Look, we're going to be using the new Kat Von D Perfect Cat Eyes collection, and that comes with a mini mascara and a mini eyeliner. We're going to go ahead and proceed to applying our primer. Girls, always remember to apply your primer. You never go without primer. On top of our primer, we're going to go ahead and add our infused illuminator with our tinted moisturizer, and we're going to blend all of that in. Blending in our infused illuminator and tinted moisturizer, we're going to go ahead and apply a couple pumps of foundation, and we're also going to blend that in. Now we're going to make it blend seamlessly into our skin by using our wet beauty blender, and after that we're going to go ahead and proceed to contour. After blending everything together, we're going to go ahead and grab our setting powder. We're going to set our whole face, and after setting our whole face, we're going to grab our contour palette and we're going to define the areas that we really want defined for this look. So for my blush, I did mix in 2 colors together just because I didn't want it to be too extra or too light. And then for our eyes, we're going to go ahead and add our eyeshadow and top it off with some mascara. And we're going to highlight our face with our glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And after that, I added some lingerie nude lipstick from NYX and topped it off with some clear lip gloss. Well guys, this completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and remember to stay home and stay safe, and I'll see you guys on our next look. Bye!